When the storm rips apart your neighborhood and the grid collapses in the blink of an eye, what's your plan? Power outages, water shortages, and isolation? These are no longer rare occurrences. They're happening more often, leaving millions vulnerable.
Emergency services in the United States have rescued thousands of people from flooded parts of Florida.
Every year, extreme weather intensifies, and if you're not prepared to live off the grid, you're risking everything. Your survival depends on what you do right now. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today, we're breaking down preparing for extreme weather, off-grid solutions. This is your guide to making sure you have power, clean water, and protection when the world outside becomes unrecognizable. Start with solar power. When the grid fails, the sun can keep you running. But clouds, storms, and even wildfire smoke can block your energy source. That's why you need batteries, lots of them, to store that energy for when the storm is at its worst. Next, rainwater harvesting. Don't count on your usual water sources. Floods and contamination can cut you off. Collecting rainwater will give you an edge when water supplies are disrupted. Think about wind power. Harness those fierce winds. A single small wind turbine can generate enough energy to keep your essential systems running through the night when the storm is at its strongest. And then there's earth-sheltered homes, nature's ultimate defense. These homes are designed to take on extreme weather without relying on the grid. Built into the landscape, they stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter, no matter how wild the weather gets. But here's where it gets real. When the destruction is so severe and the power grid is gone for good, then what? It's no longer about just riding out the storm. It's about thriving without ever needing the grid again. Now that you know how to prepare for extreme weather with off-grid solutions, you're one step ahead. But there's still more to learn. Next, we'll dive into the top 5 DIY off-grid energy sources, perfect for when you need to go beyond the basics and truly become self-reliant. And don't miss our earlier guides like how to navigate without a compass, a must for survival when technology fails. Or check out improvising tools and weapons in a survival situation. Because when the world turns upside down, resourcefulness is your best weapon. Also, dive into survival skills, how to filter water in the wild, because clean water could be your lifeline. And don't forget top 10 survival items you can find in nature, where you'll discover life-saving resources hiding in plain sight. Don't wait for the next disaster. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay with us on the Prepper's Path. Extreme weather is coming. You can't stop it, but you can prepare for it.